Parrots, the charismatic and colorful birds, are known for their captivating beauty and remarkable intelligence. Found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, these social creatures are distinguished by their vibrant plumage and strong, curved beaks. Parrots are exceptional mimics, with some species capable of imitating human speech and various sounds. Their ability to communicate and solve problems has fascinated scientists and animal enthusiasts alike. Highly social beings, parrots form strong bonds with their flock members, demonstrating loyalty and empathy. They are herbivores, primarily consuming fruits, seeds, and nuts. Unfortunately, parrots face threats such as habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are vital to protect these enchanting birds and ensure their continued existence, enriching our lives with their beauty and intelligence.